Hello friends, in this video I will give you expert tips and fixes for your AirPods Pro won't reset when you long press the back button of the charging case. Related errors are, your AirPods keep saying connecting on the iPhone pop-up screen and connection failed. Because of this error, we can't charge the AirPods, connect to other devices, or have no sound comes from AirPod. First, you must clean up the charging case and both the left and right AirPods correctly. Over the time, dust and mesh will cover on the AirPods Pro charging case connector and stem of the AirPods, so you can't reset successfully or charge your AirPods when put inside the case. To clean up these connectors, use earbuds and cotton cloth. With a soft hand, use an earbud stick and roll inside both the left and right AirPods charging cases one by one, and clean the metal connector inside the charging case, as you can see on the video screen. To remove sweat and mesh from the metal stem of the AirPods, use a cotton cloth and clean up like this on both the left and right earbuds. The next step is to force reset AirPods Pro correctly. In many cases, AirPods can't reset completely because your kid or pet chew the AirPods on the left or right earbuds, and AirPods metal stem can't contact the connector inside the charging case. Keep both AirPods in the charging case. Push down both AirPods like this, and press the back button on the charging case until you see the amber flash white. Try to keep holding for 15 seconds, until flash white. It's still not resetting. You have to press for 30 seconds. As you can see, my AirPods amber flashes white and then red after long press on back button of the charging case. If your AirPods charging case does not flash white or red, then it is recommended to keep it on charge for at least 15 to 30 minutes from the direct wall plug. Then hold the back button of the charging case with an extra push on both the left and right AirPods, as shown on the video screen. If your AirPods charging case is not charging, it means not showing red light on the charging case when put on the charge. Also, clean the charging port at the bottom of the charging case using a wooden teeth stick, or use a wireless charger to charge AirPods Pro. Another problem AirPods users are facing over time is AirPods can't connect because of software bug on iPhone. Reset network settings helps you fix the Bluetooth connectivity problems without erasing your iPhone data. For that, launch the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll to General, again scroll and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Again, tap on the Reset option and tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone lock screen passcode and screen time passcode if enabled. Again, confirm with the Reset Network Settings option. Once your iPhone reboot, try to connect your AirPods to your iPhone. If you have a problem with other devices like a Mac, MacBook, Apple Watch, or Android Mobile, restart the device and check whether your AirPods are connecting. Ensure that Bluetooth is turned on from the settings. If there is a software issue on your iPhone, then it is recommended to keep your iPhone updated to the latest version. Check and update, launch the Settings app, scroll to General, and tap on Software Update. Download and install the new update if available, as well as update your AirPods firmware to the latest version. Keep your AirPods connected or near to your iPhone. Apple automatically update AirPods firmware to the latest version automatically. To check AirPods firmware, go to Settings app on your iPhone. Under the Bluetooth settings, tap on I button next to the AirPods name, and see all AirPods settings and scroll to the About section. Under the version, check AirPods version and case firmware. Find the separate tutorial on Update AirPods Pro, given in video description. To check the latest firmware version when watching this video, check the link given in the video description and pin comment. Still, this solution's doing help and you feel that some hardware issue or unable to fix it yourself, then highly recommend to contact Apple support. Go to getsupport.apple.com and find your AirPods under the Choose a Product option. Link is given in video description. Select AirPods. Click on the problem that you are facing. Select Pairing and Connectivity for this case, and continue with the option. As you can see, here are all possible options from Apple support for one-to-one help. Other option, you can schedule a repair or check free repair and replacement. If your AirPods is under warranty, you can check it out here. Scroll down and see Get an Estimate. Select the problem, AirPods, and the model that you have. Click on the Get Estimate option at last and see estimate cost on your screen. If your AirPods Pro is new and under warranty, then check and verify the purchase date using the method explained in the separate video tutorial given in video description and pinned comment. Don't miss to share your feedback and questions in the comment box. Please like, share, and subscribe for future video updates and support us.